Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our tutorial on changing the clutch of your Thermomix TM21. This process is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your machine. Let's get started with the tools you will need. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners, specifically a 10mm and 13mm spanner. Make sure you have a clean workspace and some cloths for any spills. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the bowl and the lid. Set them aside in a safe place. Next, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the machine. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips. With the base cover removed, you will see the internal components of the Thermomix. Take a moment to inspect for any visible damage or wear. Now locate the clutch assembly. It is usually situated near the motor. You will see a few more screws holding the clutch in place. Using your 10mm spanner, carefully unscrew these bolts. Remember to keep track of which screws go where, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are out, gently pull the clutch assembly away from the motor. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it. Before installing the new clutch, it's a good idea to clean the area around the motor. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any dust or debris. This will ensure a better fit for the new part. If you're unsure about any part of this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can help you determine if this repair is right for you. Now, take your new clutch and align it with the motor. Push it into place firmly but gently. Once it's seated correctly, replace the screws using your 10mm spanner to secure it. Next, reattach the base cover. Align it carefully and press down until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely. It's important to check that everything is aligned properly before moving on. Now let's reassemble the bowl and lid. Place the bowl back onto the base and ensure it locks into position. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your appliance serviced without any hassle. In summary, changing the clutch on your Thermomix TM21 is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Remember, if this seems too tricky, we can help with a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in maintaining your Thermomix. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.